Hi there, welcome to the new video of our series Excel tutorial for beginners on Mentor Edge. In this final lesson from the Home tab, we will learn about the editing group where you can manage, analyze and clean your data efficiently. So let's get started. Welcome back. The first and most commonly used tool in the editing group is AutoSum. AutoSum automatically adds up numbers in a column or row without typing a formula manually. Just select the cell where you want the total to appear, click the AutoSum and press enter. You can also use the drop down arrow beside AutoSum to quickly choose other functions like average, count numbers, maximum and minimum. Next we have the fill command, which helps to quickly copy or external data pattern without retyping. Click the drop down beside fill and you will see several options: down, right, up, left and series. Fill down copies the content of the top cell into the cells below. Fill right copies the leftmost cell into the cell to the right. For example, if you type any number and use fill down, Excel will automatically continue with this. You can also use the small square at the bottom right of a selected cell called the fill handle to drag and copy data, formula or date sequences easily. Clear. Next, let's talk about clear. This tool is used to remove data of formatting from selected cells. Click the drop down arrow and you will see multiple options. Clear all removes everything including data formatting and comments. Clear content removes only the data, keeping the cells format intact. Clear format removes colors, borders and fonts, keep the data. Clear formats removes colors, borders and fonts but keeps the data. Clear comment and notes removes any remarks or notes added to a cell. Clear hyperlinks removes clickable links but keep the text. This is especially useful when you are cleaning data or reusing a worksheet template. Sort and filter. The next powerful tool in the editing group is sort and filter. It helps you organize and analyze your data more efficiently. Sort lets you rearrange data in ascending or descending order. For example, you can sort a list of names from A to Z or cell values from largest to smallest. To make sure your entire data set moves together, select the full data range before sorting, otherwise only one column may move, which can mess up your data alignment. Filters. Filtering allows you to show only the data that meets specific conditions. Click anywhere inside your dataset, then click filter. You will see a small drop down arrow appears on each column header. From there you can filter by text, number, color or even custom conditions like showing only values greater than 500. Find and select. The final option in the editing group is Find and Select, which helps you quickly locate, replace or select specific types of content in your workbook. Fine. Type a word or number and Excel will highlight where it appears. Replace. You can also click replace to automatically swap one value from another. For example, change all pending status to complete. Go to and go to special. To go to and go to special options are also useful. They let you jump to specific cells or select only certain type of data like formulas, blanks or constant. Select object. Lastly, select objects let you easily move or select shapes, charts or images within your worksheet. These tools are essential for everyday Excel work and will save you a lot of time. That's it for today's video on the editing group, and that completes the entire home tab in Excel. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Mentor Edge and hit the bell icon so you don't miss upcoming lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on the Essential tab.